Hi everyone, welcome to my office. This is Lisa, Best Life Lee. I'm going to be doing a winter nighttime wind down video for you, part of my cozy series. So I'm taking you through the end of my work day, and prior to the pandemic, I was someone who was out on the road. I was meeting with people, attending hearings, and now I'm primarily working from home. A lot of the meetings are done by WebEx or Zoom. So what I'm doing here is I'm just writing up a report, wrapping up my day. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I go from my work mode into my nighttime relaxing mode and getting back into my regular life with my husband and my pets, and how I wind down for the evening. When you work from home, it can be difficult sometimes to get out of your work head and get into your home head because work is always there. So I'm going to show you how I switch gears and get myself ready to enjoy my husband's company and to get back into my cozy way of life. So I'm just going to be wrapping up my day. I've completed the last report of the day, and I'm going to get organized a little bit for the next morning. Where work is concerned, I try to be as organized as I possibly can. I try to keep my workspace organized because if I'm organized, I feel like I'm more in control of what I'm doing and what needs to be done. So I hope that you will come along with me as I move into my winter evening routine and I wind down for the night. So I have about a half an hour before Bob gets home from work, and tonight I am going to be treated with some takeout food so I don't have to cook. Normally I would not be baking something after work, but I do have these bananas here that are overly ripe. And rather than throw them away, I figured I would make a quick banana bread. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just mixing up my room temperature butter, and actually I cheated because it wasn't room temperature. I put it in the microwave for 15 seconds and it was just perfect. So I am just tossing in my bananas here, and I'm going to be mashing them up. Now normally you would mash your bananas separately, but again, I'm not taking a lot of time to do this. I'm just whipping it up quickly. It's really not a hard job. You just get all your ingredients together and you whip it up in the bowl. So I'm using a Paula Deen banana bread recipe. This is a very old cookbook that I've had, and this banana bread is the best banana bread I've ever made. It's simple, with very simple ingredients, but it is delicious. So, the act of creating this batter here is getting my mind back into the home mode and preparing me to relax and feed my animals, get ready to hang out with Bob, and just have a nice night. So now it's time to feed the critters, and I have two cats. This is Bo, and I also have Joey, which you are all very familiar with if you've seen any of my prior videos. This is Chiba, and they're all very excited to have their dinner. As you can tell, they're all around. So I usually will get their dinner before we eat so that they all have full bellies while we're eating and they're not, trying to get what we're having, although sometimes that doesn't matter. They still want to know what we're eating. But anyway, so I'm just getting their food ready for them. And yeah, I'm going to be setting them up with their supper and preparing myself for my own dinner. So here we go. It's feeding time. And I have some very happy animals in my home. So Bob's home. He comes in and it is very exciting for Joey and the cats. They're very happy to see him. I'm very happy to see him too. And we have a very happy dog. So just getting everything together so that we can have our dinner. Joey wants to know what we're having. We have this amazing place not too far from our house that makes all kinds of great turkey dinners and ribs and barbecue, and it's really, really good. It's called Gerard Farms, and Bob usually brings me a little surprise. Tonight it's chocolate cake for dessert, but these turkey dinners are my favorite. A Thanksgiving meal is my favorite meal. So I get the corn, Bob gets the string beans. Bo doesn't get anything, even though he would like to. You can see that he's taken Bob's seat, and Bob is very gracious. He gives up his seat. And we are just going to enjoy our supper and conversation, catching up on everything that has gone on in our own individual work lives during the day. And this feels really nice because I didn't have to cook, and we have a nice hot meal. So on to the next part of my nighttime rituals. I'm going to take a relaxing bath, and I have this beautiful candle, which is a soy candle, and it smells incredible. And I'm just going to get my bathroom smelling really good and really relaxing to help me wind down even more. And we like rituals. We like to light a candle and set our space. So that is what I'm doing here, and everything will be linked below, by the way. So I have my bath salts that I got from Magnolia Home, and I'm using the lavender bath salts tonight, so that can help me to wind down even more. I'm just filling the tub and the air with amazing aromatherapy. And next I'm going to find some music I use iHeartRadio. I don't pay anything for it. And then I'm going to get myself something to look at that's going to be inspirational and maybe get my creative juices flowing while I'm relaxing. And even though I won't get up and do anything following my bath, some of these ideas will be planted in my mind so that next time I'm looking for something to do, it'll be there. So also, while I'm in the tub, it's a good time to do a face mask. And this is one that I got as a sample in one of my samples kits from one of my Ulta hauls. So yeah, just ready to soak in. And I always want to have something cozy to put on when I get out of the tub. This is a Kookaburra from UGG, and I always like to get a bigger size of my loungewear just because it usually shrinks, first of all, but I like things to be roomy when I'm relaxing, and this is just so cozy and soft. And then obviously you want to be able to get some nice lotion on after you soak in a tub. This one will get me in the mood to sleep. And these are moisturizing socks, and they are absolutely incredible. And you just wear them and they smooth your feet amazingly. And of course, some nighttime lip treatment. So that is it, guys. I'm going to wind down with my sleepy time tea and my banana bread that I made this afternoon, which is so delicious. And I have my soft socks on. So sweet dreams, everyone. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.